In this video, I'll show you how you can fix right-click is not working on Windows. Now, for most people, this will fix it. Just heading to CMD, run as an admin, type sfc /scan now. Now, once you do this, it's gonna start scanning, and this will fix it for most people. However, if this doesn't fix you for it, there's another way that you can try that I've read works for some people. Search for registry editor. In here, you want to come to this folder right here. So find HKey classes root, open it, and then you want to press anywhere and press D. Get to directory, should be around here. Go to background, shell X, contact menu handlers, and in here you'll have some folders. Now, if you have a folder called IGFX-CUI or a folder called IGFX-DTCM, or this folder right here, NVCPL desktop context, you want to delete those folders. Now, I don't have the problem, as you can see, so I don't need to do that. But if you have any of those three, you want to delete it, and then you want to restart your PC, and it will regenerate, and it should be fixed. Now, instead of doing this, you should wait for this first to be done 100% and see if that fixes it first. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.